And what I am seeing from this devastation, the president left whatever he was doing and ordinary ebehu die esi wo ho. And Osaka Chiramo say he will do everything possible after Mujimi no. After Mumubi, Munkwasi Asamuni Mujimina, more carelessly, must say Munyomano, or see he will find a way to compensate some of you fools. Now, and yes, sorry, yes, say MPP for say Omo ye Kumasi dialogue. Kumasi MPs. Oh, Makachre, mo support MPP na mudi MPP, chise mwano. Sa montafo no mo awonafo no sa mo kowfo mo nzemafo na mo didi MPP gi se nwan no ma me kire mo bibi on say Partey even in opposition they cannot get rid of their tribalism. Haven't you seen it? The whole Ghana and Ekoto aba, but these people almost say, oh, you know something, yanya bibi a friend no Kumasi dialogue, Kumasi MPs. Oh really? Oh, so the NPP as a political party, no, it is not nationalistic. Now it is a Kumasi party. At least in Kamuka Sebia, Ashanti dialogue, at least Ashanti region, but Omo Mati, I just say, a Kumasi, a Ashanti for MPs. You see, Omo notion be say, Abano Muluzia, no, Ashanti region, Tino Muluzia. That is their problem. And you see, they have made Ashanti region say Omo Diamond. And it say Ashanti region, no. Enena say obi anto about Ashanti regional wa Ghana bia wo MPP other regions bia we Jimmy. That is how the MPP sa no mo running on party no. And it say osora no pa a party in opposition that is supposed to be nationalistic, a party that is supposed to bring every single region, every single tribe, every single religion, every Ghanaian together to let them understand why we are not a tribal party and that we don't believe, say, a Nipakuobi and a particular location be and a mayor party. When you start these kind of things, people like us will let the world know, say, Mwe Jimmy. You see, the party, as I speak to you, they have no leadership. They have no focus because the party has been enshrined in too much and tribalism. Now, Kumasi dialogue, you know, are you talking Kumasi dialogue? Now it's a Ghana problem. A man people losing Kumasi for. And yet 2028. Omo other regions now. Omo MPP for it. They need to stay away from the NPP. Last we catch a Ghana for omo di MPP chi. Titru akam for omo di MPP chi. Me catch them say party no. Every single day omo we need to me na omo hu baby omo fie wo. Omo lose power. Na fe omo hu se mo akamfo na maka no. Mo na mo jimi na mo di tumi ba ba be show mo nsem. And that is what you are seeing here. Omo lose power no. Omo se yenko fie na yenko eden. Ye ni asantefo Kumasi nkwanko kasa. Omo wia yes okay yema ekuapemfo nkwasiafo no embe yenkwasi adwuma no. Yema bonofo ajimifo no embe yenkwasi adwuma no. Yema dagomafo nkwasiafo embe yenkwasi adwuma. Yema akamfo no maka na omo de ewu omo se enkwasi adwuma no yenkofo omo nyina mbra embe yenkwasi adwuma no. Ye we need to be na da ko menhia. That is what they are doing. Now Debiano party we no I no mo dwen say sebio umfri asantimemu ana umfri Kumasi a wunim nyansa. That is the problem I have with this party. The problem I have with this tribal organization and they see obia umfri Kumasi say we Jimmy. Kumasi dialogue says saying. And do you know what they said they went to discuss? Development of Kumasi. Oh, really? Development of Kumasi. Oh, then if development of Kumasi and the municipal president of Kumasi. If it is the development of Kumasi, you want the NPP, that at the end of the day you got 38%. Then make sure say, Mubesi mo president of Kumasi. Na Kumasi hono, mato ne swaba, Emma, because for the past 8 years, in Kwasiafo, Eya asensubu acha ne funu sekura. Obeye minister, oba nkran flower pot, ebetwa ahumem, emi yesiye. For 8 years, matna abemu, mon Kwasiafo amugu sa TV we so, obiye ntumi anya one hospital, regional hospital santimemu. Mo free power ewie no. Mo dwen sa santifo agiminti. Oh, ye be Kumasi dialogue. Na asantifo nyina agya de omo ye. Adan a ye party na omkotena abem 8 years. Na se wiase wo na omo mbie. Na kumewusi wo omo mbie. Na eye facilities akese wo omo mbie no. Omo ba say suddenly Omo beye Kumasi dialogue. How they would develop Kumasi. Are you going to develop Kumasi in opposition? Are you people going to develop Kumasi in opposition? Mi busamo. Because you got the opportunity to develop Kumasi. This alone, my topic, developing Kumasi, it means you have failed. You are now letting the world know, say, you got the opportunity and muhu Kumasi for now Santifoso omodo duane Jimmy. Because if you had paid attention to the Ashanti region and I say Kumasi and Kasa, you will not be having a dialogue to develop Kumasi. You have been out of power for less than 3 months. You are now having a dialogue to now tell Kumasi for how you want to develop it. Munya 8 years in Kwasiafui. You had 8 good years. And for the 8 years, you saw Asantifoni be any omo Ashanti region so omo yamwanti yade party frumanti. They will get up like animals and vote for you. Today you are having a dialogue for Kumasi MPs. Okay, moya dialogue ni we are nama tuaba you Kumasi president. Sa nkwasiade na modi atum trim edi bi atu nipa bi trim o Kumasi no. Sa nkwasiade no mameka bibi nkyere mo. The NPP as a political party, Ghana, we are not going to wait for Kumasi you. And I need to put this in the heads of you people. Messias, did you get me the video? Mamin can Ayew clearly. Because Memetiano, I am not here to please anybody to say Kevin, and the okay some way and the a sentiment we and to Obama and this and this and I don't have time. Me say Kumasi Mumu bina muti Kumasi Santifono. Munye ready say yabe Ghana, yabe jamu ho. Moba pratite. Because ye ni 1992 ye ba betraka se obi edi nkwasi a 70 still o se etna ho ne atwen no de Ghana development nya to nchen because nipa bi o madwene say omunye ready to allow all of us to rule. Yeah? Mamenka asem we emfa mesi bibi so. It comes straight to Ayew market assembly no. Now, yambo video we na menka asemi wo ho. Because in kwasi asem na ekoso wo Ghana no. Mo asantifo ni bi mo kwasi ade amudi no wo Ghana ha no. Say yanka nyansa nkyere mu bia. Mu bi betina jimini mu ama MPP no egu asanteman egu otufo ni mase. Mo asantifo ni bi mu jimi ne mu nkura asem na mo de ti Kumasi no. Say yanka no kura na nkyere mu plain. Now we say me party ntina metia me be katakata nsem so a mu bi mu nkura asem no ene mu jimi no mu betire ma na ro kamo hene na at the end of the day mu nyina sebio enimgu ase na ko kamo hene na ye be fra mu nkura asefo saa kopim so ewiase be sei sama antwe mu bi mu antwe mu ho amfiri nkura asem ene saa jimi na the town near Fred Kumasi and our Santiman no, it will never develop. And we as a nation, we will develop, we will leave you people behind. But now to say, moti efuom, because some of you people are not ready to reason as human beings. Mo asantifoni bi. Titu muni pani biamugu asantimemu. Listen, where after Kumasi market share. We sansem say would say edwa ashe. This is not the first time edwa ashe wa Ghana. Yatiana kantamanto krampa play ni si Ghana first time. Nipa free mu ko ho no kra ho hye kantamanto. Obi fra brochire duru Ghana. Baby okọ first ko to dwa okodi dwa no eye kantamanto. Kumasi fo sikafo bebre sika omunya no omunya ne Kumasi omunya ne kantamanto. Kantamanto kra hye. Na wo eja to dwam. Na wo abesiriwa we yusu ho se akoko bi ayase abegina ojo mahama. Eja di nanim eja di nachi. Mo amote eye Kumasi dwom bebie eja toye no. Mo amotete ho no. Mumusa mo ho se saa de na motiti mu ho no. Eja to mo a ka na ebefama pempem na abedum jana na se ebefama hem. Motiti dwom ho ena mo asoso gas hyehyɛ mo shops. Muti dwom munni aduane wo mo shops na mo de amama baawa ntafo nkwara asa mo fa nkoma mo kunu ofie gas sisi ntoma shop gas sisi electrical shop ena mutitite fire hydrant so ena mugugugugu stores mu ho mo sisi stores prekese te say adwene ni fie na mugu ho na ejato okra kan tumi nwura ho no ejato ho nanka John Mahama mfiri nkran na o meka nchiro tumfo na ono tumfo fa taxi na omo nkofa ka mewura mu emeden emedum no mutiti dwom ho ena mafa by force electricians obekọ Kumasi dwom na nkwasiafo bi de nam ho bag bobobo mochi amosom electricians oh bra so we mame oh twiwe kwa ha oh electric we dey fa ko join anyway ye dey empese light ne badodo why na ye illegal chen mo amugu Kumasi dwom ho mo amugu Kumasi dwom ho why na ye illegal chen mo kwa Kumasi dwom nne obekona boys nkwasiafo mo hu fi bi ne nanam dwom ho adan ya backpack bo mochi mo na mo mo access oh bra una electrician no you we never can we ho lie we dey yesi we ne ebo ni prepre never obekọ mo amuti wa nyina 90% my illegal connection amugu sa adwom nim edwa a wutim a wudi dwa mibusa o say eja toma ehina na ka be fa bedum wuja mumu bi mu agimi modwen say 1992 politics no enkwasi tribal me John Mahama anka kapre kame fa mbasa adwom Sami Ashanti regional minister until the plan of Edwawe ya draw ehu bebi a car befa ehu bebi a nipa befa me mo bia si stores aha bebi a mashiro never mumu bi mu agimi ntina muti hiam mumu bi mu agimi entina nipa bi treat mu se moa oti Kumasi dwom o chikelewole o so gas store wutim gas sim why illegal connection eja toma baby a fire truck befa ebi ni ho odo kwasi ati Kumasi blemu John Mahama moye lucky krampo se edani baby anse moye lucky na sanka muni munyansa this is the time anka mumu bi betena se mo amaya mu edwom hema edwom panyini mo betena se busa ho se na edwom ayeti ha yi eja to ha ka afa heneba. This is the time amanka mu yempenifo amuni munyansa mugigi sika ekọ eyiye koye ya ne ye kako hima ya ne electricals for hima ya ne ye ntomafo hima no. This is the time where you su mu adwene mujimi mumubi mujimi ni munkura asesamunti modwen say mo foolish stupidity carelessness irresponsibility no mo betum ya kwose John Mahama na ama o problem a solve because the generation no John Mahama nyoma na ahye o eye wo nyoma na ahye ana mumu bi mu agimi nti mama MPP for the bibia to mutirim instead say mo be solve the problem at hand sanka mumu bi muni munyansa. This is the time you have to have reflection muni ma dey reflection kamuni munyansa kamuni mutu besi form na mo a mo hwe say munuanom stores ahye no mabusa mo say ede na hye stores no kwase bi bibia to mutirim ana ndis na ba ye ena gya hyehye eni tira mumu bi ehia mo say nwan because my adwene nye adwuma my adwene e fe na adwene enye adwuma baby eja toye no ehe na kafa baby a eja toye no ehe fa na kafa o baby eja toye no chese ye BOADU say we asantini a na mumu bi I say mujimi abete ya wasantifo nyansafo mo te woka say this problem needs to be solved because enye na problem we solve ye eba ye ya wasantifo nyansafo mo te wo e ka say ade we osiesi ano kwan. And I know say some of you are planning to bend kejetia mu de enchen mo mumu dodo no adwene bone enkwasiade ene ye mama ne nkoso ya te ye ho syndrome ene jimi mumu bi ma majo so mbashi kejetia no na ma be ka say Adum so na kejetia Adum so na kejetia na kejetia ne hia meme ma me onton ade wo ho meme se wa onton ade meme wo fa onton sa akwa yi bia akwa koside akwa otumfuo meme wo fa onton spare parts meme nua ba bia ni eye Kumasi dwom oton ade enti ye kanya nsa kirema momfa mo tribe ne mo jimi ne nton nchen na mombusa mo se eye agyan na eja to ha adentina dum soba trasako ejan to obi dan mu adentina dum soba East Legon ebi ejan to obi dan mu baby otumfuo te o menhia se dum so ene hyedan a ade na dum so ba otumfo amenhia ejantom because otumfo nya illegal connection ho Because uko eye Trasako na omo muti no they have not basically allowed Kwasia bi say almost so the wire semano. Because baby a jantono obian ko chi kele o hydrant so abra fire service for pe baby craft and so munya bi eno na wo sa mo dwene busa mo say na ade ne yegu asem moa na yan dwene sa nipa na because of politics inti mayewa mbema na wadani ndwan adan a ye de ye mu bia ya santifo ntie ye nkurasefo say ya anya bibia MPP ni NDC a ya bra obo ne nkoso eni tena mu bi mo bre no hwe kwase awe
Sola casa que no. What the team? 1 year old. Kudus what the no man. Ya baba blood 21 years. Ya baba ya sabrant. Ya mo pe again as at fire. Again I can fire.
Kwasia. Wa bobra 21 years. Now obra na obo no e dey protection na o dey amabra no. Oya Kwasia. O sorry na do Jimmy, o to kankan ko tena dwom, eno an say wo ton ade. Baby a wo ton ade no, ade na wo so wo bobra na e bobra na. How are you protecting it? Mo 90% illegal connections am de te wo. Mo Jimmy, obeti obi afiri obi ano, an ye ho kire, ye dwom hye na Ibrahim Ahama akoto private jet. Oya Kwasia. Na mo ho nkirem na otumfo akoto car foforo. Say otumfo frantuma every weekend bi o frantuma foforo. Adentina monka se mo ho kire wo Kumasi sika kokko ote kokko so o changing tuma bia $100 million. Aden na monka se otumfo aden ye ho kire wo Kumasi onjan tuma sesa. Mo asantifo ni bi mu agimi. Confront the issue. What is the problem? The problem is that the way the market is set up, the way you have a lot of illegal connections, the way you people are not making sure that town is planned well, and nutina mobrano. That is the solution. John Mohammed be president 3 months. Montia se mu bayi mu Kwasia tribe na to nchen na mabusa problems. Kwasia we ade to no so sesia na obewu a na yere nyima na sewia wo ho ne atum ne atos kumewum na ode ne Kwasia to say an ya ne akamfo abra wo party ba power 8 years Kwasia wentuma kan kire party ni say ombre sewia na wote bantama oba oyire yare a obetum na akọ na wodu Jimmy onase fi nam Kumasi Kekan Kwasia say because mumu bi ma adwene mo say Ghana's election it depends on you. Mumu bi mu bodam. Me say ma adwene mo say mumu bi na muti Kumasi no. Sa Kumasi kurase na mugum no. Ma adwene mo say Ghana revolves around you people. Mo life nyina ba ye beto aba. Ye to aba amen to aba. Ma me ka bi nkire mo. Mupa munyina monto abama MPP, you never win. Winning because munye ready. Some of you munye ready some of my adwuna ye dwuma. And it's not nipa bi to say time will do so say come on him because mumu bi mu agimi. What is the problem in the market? Mo amotiti dwom wa kekan Kwasia sema Kwasia ne fumpi eye akanfo ya den asantefo ya den no. The question is Kwasia to be aton ade no say eja esroto ma me so obetumi po the car be ambulance abefa nako. No. Kodwobo na kwahwe de omo ye wo ho. Hwe omugi loan. No ma kofa nyoma. Omo di kwa yie ekobo jantra na loan sa no motweja atum. 1. And they do it around the nation. Second, omo ti dwom ho na gas sisi omo dwom. And omo emma na omo tonton tuma ne nyoma wo sa adwom ho no. Ene omo mu di dwa no. No above 5 o'clock no mo ye aduane wo store ho. Gas sisi store ho ene mo bie no mo ye aduane. Owia o se ne feduane koma mi kunu osantase na sebi omi nuanom ntafo nkora ye de esi di tiri so na o ko santase owia na odum gas no ni refi no ho na gas ni siso sa gas na she store ho no atum. That same person in Kwasiafo nam dwomwo e na backpack bo mochi electrician bra won lie we mehu say papa we yesi ane join ne de no se se de numbo aye den dodo yi we na fakoto we so Kwasia bia Oko school onim sibia yeso negative to positive was there and kura no because area hore there mwangaze mo create mo technicians mo electrician e wo dwomu ho na wo yi wire na wo de akopem ha na wo yi wire no na ko join ha na wo se nwumro ko na wo tete wote e wo dwom ho na san kwase ade wo nyina mo ye na mo investment gum munyim nyansa oji se broni oba de mo ye no oji se akwesi broni ebe sorry e de investment away for 21 years kwasea e de gas esim oji se akwesi broni 21 year investment oba make sure say eja to ho a can't me ma ho mumu bi mu agimi. Yeah. And let me tell you people, sa Jimmy we mo mfiri hu a enya de a obi abetwan mo say mumu bi no sa Jimmy we mu no ye twan mo ama mabeboa me akekere Ghana. No, without you people, some of you people anka Ghana krampo aye ye chense. Yeah, because you people mumu bi mo na mo twe Ghana sign mo nkwasi adwene edam tirim mo suban bi ene mo life ni nyina ye about enye MPP enya santia magana nkoso no saa matem ho nkwase mentality na mumu bi mo nananom de tum tirim no ene na mamoda ne nkurasefo a Ghana fo mbumo. Yes, asem we see ye saa omom adwom a omo ya mo chairman fo ene mo leaders no omo press conference aka kire mo dabi adan ya fa nkoso John Mahama wa Accra abuofunu John Mahama ne store okejetia. You people are dirty people. And I keep telling you people. Boys the go on my man kasa no krana ma me ka kire mo no mo agimi mo mu bi mo asantefo ni bi mo amugu sa adwom ho no mo agimi adwuma amoye no you don't respect adwuma amoye no mo ntiase e na ma me abrewa ne ka kire mo sorry ma me no e ka lady ne ka kire mo no o see fire service ka ne ba emfa he enkwasiafo mo isi tables na moto chacha na mo na jantrafo zone obi ntumi fa kamfem obi ntumi fa trogu fem obi ntumi community and you gum some moa na eja to ma ublemu John Mahama time na this table ni so John Mahama power kwasiafo mumu bi mo say nwan mo say dabo munim nyansa bibia ya MPP bibia ya dia asantefo bibia enti obia ba ohu samu ya nkurasefo mumu bi. They see you as typical villagers, and you see it's about time we Ghanaians we start to understand the say sa asantefo we bi no we need to ignore them and move forward. Asantini onim nyansa why ready so obeboa no. We move along with Asantini no. That's all. Sa Fantini why ready so obeboa Ghana me akekere Ghana no. We go with them Fantini we Jimmy janisi wo. Enkrania we Jimmy onye ready leave that person behind. Fankrania onim nyansa ne ka ho na move on. Me say ahuneni a woya kwasi ampanyi leave that ahuneni behind. Get ahuneni onim nyansa move them because at the end of the day where Jimmy and what I am seeing from this devastation, the president left whatever he was doing and Osaka Chiramo say he will do everything possible after Mujimi after Mumubi Munkwasi Asamuni Mujimi na more carelessly must say Munyomano or see he will find a way to compensate some of you fools. Still, you want to blame John Mahama and more. Why say Mumubi might say nine. Muji said Debia the business of Musa. We are still going to build this nation. Mopa Munshiketia. Modia Moncharo, Monko Jantum, a more problem. Mopa Ochina, Monko Jantu Kejetianum. Mochama won to me, more MPP no, Monana B for no, hey, Mopa Ochina, Monko Petrongu Kejetiana Muncha Jantum, Memma Moniketia ho. Because at the Papa Bia Mompe. My man is a Ghana ne koso pe na mubi mudi mu Jimmy askata Ghana abranti awesi so why adwuma 21 years today bia ko bi store na hwe nchen a ubusa won say eh na me store eja to ha de na meze sam nyoma ko onwene de oni man say on na PZ ejantra fo so wo kan e na kan fo e den e na asante fo asantini a wejimi asantini nyansani na kasa ye no wo sa brante wo asantini kwase ampanyi unim nyansa enya kanfo nyina na nim nyansa ye wa kanfo o majimi. It you people should get this shit in your heads. Ya so mo so ache. Ya so mo so na mo kofa nkwasiafo e bank mo be say Ghana eku obia no. Ya so mo so from 2012. Ena mudi nkwasiasem wo Ghana saa obi anka bibia nkyere mo mumubi mo so na muti radio so nkwasia keka mumubi mo so ya nkwasia demonstration ya hwemo na mujimi ya na kofa ekufu adubaye. Mumubi mujimi muwa saya etwa ekutia edidi Ghana bia tem say mo na munim wiase nyansa na kofa kwasiam panyi we baye 8 years baby edu ya mamo sa nkwasia chance ni biem Ghana enyo tumfo dia enya me papa dia enyo obi a wofa dia eye nyina dia. So if you are ready to help to build ma wadwini nya adwuma unya ready afa kwasia kwatene kurase. Yes. So if you think I'm sitting here because I want your vote in 2028, I don't need your vote. I need intelligent Ghanaians vote. Me pe Ghana ni onim nyansa vote. Enya wo because I unim nyansa say market ashe fire service to me begu insuo maningwa. Na say unim nyansa ye to me to abapa. Unim nyansa. Inti mumubi no, you people should understand, eh? My TBB, Mr. P, Mr. S. Team, I'll go to the issue. Let me deal with this matter. My TBB say, must say, mobile demonstration. I didn't try. NDC about power. Mr. P. I didn't try. Munya a mobile demonstration was anti-memu. MPP4. And I would like to state this on authority. Ghana Nibia were ready to have a demonstration. You have the right to demonstrate. Ghana Nibia. If you want to demonstrate against Galamsey, be our right. And nobody should rise up against anybody who want to go out there and express their views about Galamsey. Because Galamsey ne ohono, etumiku obia. Inti any Ghanaian be ready. Say or hitting the streets of Ghana to demonstrate against this current government. Let the world know, say, the government needs to do something about Galamsey. You have all the right. And I'm sending this message to people in government. Nobody should rise up against anybody who wants to demonstrate against Galamsey. Nobody. It's going to the interior minister. It goes to the national security. It goes to the information. It goes to the president himself. Nobody should stop anybody who wants to go out there and demonstrate. It is their right because they're also Ghanaians. We need to get to that point where I was saying, you know, ni analyze say, nipa way, or Jimmy and us on Jimmy ye. Demonstration, they have the right to go. Demonstration. And I'll be happy. Demonstration, I'm so many santimemuno. Me peso 2 4 ka hona mo ko na ye kese. I want that. Me pesa bant ma hene edi anim. Me pesa mampon hene eka ho. Ye hia kwapia hene. Ye hia eyedian. Ye hia ahemfo akese omo Ashanti region. The Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs. I want them to lead because ye pesa ku Galamsey. It is not against the law. And I'll be happy to report on this matter. Into anybody or was anti-memu, a MPP for Jane say, Omo be demonstration be against Galamsey. Na ama abino any. No. We want you to do it. It is important, in fact, very important that you demonstrate and let the world know adia obonjoso. Because when the MPP were in power, people demonstrated against Galamsey. So I don't see anything wrong here. Into munyina munkwabontene. The government of the day has never sat anywhere else to say they are not going to fight it. In the history of the Republic of Ghana, 3 months, the number of excavators are chia and the Jeffrey Galamsey for him a dos chain a ekufuado 1,500 no movie akodi no yeah. Inti, as far as I know, the government of the day is taking steps. If you feel that the steps are slow, if you think that the steps they are taking isn't enough for you, you have the right to hit the streets. And I know the NPP is behind this. Do it. Because obviously, Debiano, Mubenyan Krasi from Mobakrum, and it's Bibiano, MPP starting starting as Santimemu, because someone say, Omumu Bine Jimmy. And we are willing to watch this comedy. And to me, I am happy. So, MPP, Santimemu, Uti Radio so, and you are saying you want to demonstrate. Go out and demonstrate. In fact, we say Otum for a part. Into more mobile demonstration, petition mensia, because you say a muyedu. Me pesa demonstration no emu yedu Moma Mampo Hinen Kahun, Mompa Tepa Hinen Kahun, Mompa Bantama Hinen Kahun, Momfa Kumewu, Momfa Ahimfomwa Santimemu Yinan Kahun. Na Momfa Billboard, Ashanti demonstration, na Kumasi demo, na Momfa Hun, Enkahun, Kumasi against Galamsey. Because, and the Galamsey no Ahimfu Yebiu, and the Galamsey no Asofo Yebi, and the Galamsey no Ahima Yebi. And the Galamsey, the politicians here, into episode be joining Galamsey, no, into no Ghanaian should speak against anybody who wants to hit the street of Ghana to demonstrate. I will support it. It should never. And me who NDC Nibia who will speak against Edieng, who will speak against Messiah, get it for me. Me who Ghana Nibia or best speaking against Edieng, a yet demonstration against Galamsey. I will come after you. So that demonstration against Galamsey is very important. Because near Tikromha and MPP for Ayew free Kojina, the same Kumasi and Amebwa. Yeah. Besides, give me the video. Ayew free Ghana web and the Oniba Umiato Ghana web no. Ojina the same Kumasi catch Ghana for say more MPP more buying and more support MPP. Munjai Galamsey net enjai Galamsey or China. Ain't it more the same people are most Munjai Galamsey net enjai Galamsey or China. Ah, mu deliberately mu say Ghana and so nyina Sadia chi na mako okromoto. Now, say demonstration, you are welcome. And the Ghana Police Service should be ready to give them all the necessary access. All the necessary access. The Ghana Police Service, the petition bar, grant them the access. Ghana for give them the room to do every demonstration they want to do. But I will plead with them. Mumfo 24 said to Tunkao. Mumfa otumfo or said to Tunkao, na ewiase nyina antemonka. Mumfa asante hema anka ho, na ewiase nyina hu se asanteman so ne sei, enti ya henkese ene yo hema kese kura ka demonstration ho. Mesra mo moma nanande anim, moma mampon hene ndi anim, eno na bema emu ayedu. Asofo enka ho. Mumfa etitiru nyina wa asantememu endi anim, eno ne betum di ako saa okunwe because okunwe enya me nko ameko. Galamsey amobetina abem 8 years amose Ghana nsuo no enya me nko ameko enya John Mahama nko ako eye Ghana fo nyina ako enti ye beboa se ahemfo so be support na ye nyina yakon okunwe enti demonstration there I support it 100%. I support it 1000%. We need the demonstration. Yeah, we need it. Yeah, we are. Mamu njina santimemu nko a monfa nko Ghana baby 16 regions because ensuo say e wa santimemu a etene ekwa wona memu. In the Samuel and Ashanti region, we are, and ya Hong Kong Ghana, Muria Monsan Sam Kukunsaka no Mapakain. Na Monsan Nantinko Sirim, because ya Galamsey or ho, Mufriwa, Monko Ayabono, because MPP for ho, Ghana for ho, almost on Galamsey and so, Mombasine Enqua Infantimemu, Mamunyana Santimemu Kwango Chromoton Koda, Moma Obiandi nim. Siafo, when you say Ghana, Montina.
They are winning the seats in the mining areas, so they decided to go and import foreigners. No one know buy no man can't chum say munko in renumu na munko to go do or say munko nsuo no na munko tu na mo refi mu hwana the whole year inso aye problem da enya 1 month ya na started eye obi na opese anka omo ye na anka ye di speed na anka ya court na anka ya stop Galamsey for na anka ya lose your seat. Yes stop you omo na, yes stop you omo china nanka ya di speed nanka ya court nanka ya stop Galamsey for nanka ya lose your seat. Yes stop you omo na, yes stop you omo china say anka omo ye nanka ya di speed nanka ya court nanka ya stop Galamsey for nanka ya lose your seat. Yes stop you omo na, yes stop you omo china say anka omo ye nanka ya di speed nanka ya court nanka ya stop Galamsey for nanka ya lose your seat. Yes stop you omo na, yes, stop you, Amuchina.
And come on for doing some demonstration. Nanki Akasema police form Amuquine, now soldier form a boom. Yes, stop him when net, yes, stop him what china. Munagam say demonstration. Mojin say, Jimmy. Now Mojin say, Moka somewhere demonstration against Galamsey. No, near my police are stop him. Na national security abe say, now we are Dabi. Yes, stop him on net, yes, stop him what china. Galamsey demonstration by force. Mo making sure demonstration too for the nim. Nana pia odo me na meso me do. Me pese Galamsey ne emu edu. Me pese amanfo wu se demonstration ne emu ayedu. Se na be ya president ne ebetu wan na montem. enti moma santefo ahemfo nyina ndi galamsey demonstration nanim media me wofa otumfo na me do me pese wo di anim because asanteman so ne sei onana ne mu ya na gina Kumasi ka say galamsey no mu nyai nana wo ho teye na nsɛn nsɛm a kan kyerɛ sɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so Ghana nyina wote free SHS ɛna wɔbɛka ho asɛm wɔbɛkyerɛm sɛ review no ehia pa yɛn support we so mkyɛ sɛ wote pa into demonstration we deɛ mesrɛ menhyia die anim nana die anim mesrɛ be the head of the demonstration na yɛn nyina yɛn support because I want to pick it live on national TV sɛ na bɛyɛ wiase bɛhu sɛ the Otumfo Osei Tutu, the leader of the Ashanti tribe, is leading the Ashanti people to demonstrate against Galamsey. You see, I want captions like that on CNN. I want the world to know, say, Galamsey no Otumfo the DNA demonstration. Share. Nobody's going to stop anybody. Some more than 50,000 times, we are willing and ready to help you do it. And it's a fact. Enti, some muni pena ma adwene mo say, mo start bibu asantememu a also automatically Ghana bu no de mo problem. Some mom de money to forma. Mo ma money ko form. I mean tumefo mo asantefo ni bi. Let me advise some of you people because mo bi jimina dokoro mododo. Mo bi no sa ahantan entitlement na aba mo tirimu dodo. Ama mo ntumi biem horizon enhyere nsua de foforo. Ama bofro nkwan mo bi agigi mo tirim nti ama jimia dokoro mo he. Mo tena se mo ntwa mo ninko mo chi na mo assess mo ho asantememu na mo hwɛ mo development bibia kodu under MPP mo behu de make akire mo no me say mo development mo bi se mo ni mo nyansa this is the time asantefo mebunu mo ntena se na mo fa mo ho entoto nkranfo mebunu abranti a wo kɔ prempe a wo ne onyonko kɔ prempe de ɔte nkran na wo a wote Kumasi fa wo ho toto no busa wo ho ende omo ye mo entertainment industry mu nyina mo businessmen nyina mo tenkran mo musa mo sa asɛm no ende small boy ye party na mo businessmen na mo nyina mo Kumasi mo nyina gina kotena nkran mo musa mo sa question no because they see you people as backward and that your place is a village. Anamunim, you people should sit back. Uko prempe, uko pokuare. Mon na before mu jam ho kon kran. Mon fa mo bra bonko compare mo. Obi ye shine kro en kran a. Otumi ba Kumasi ebe twa ebe ye kokoti gu mu so. O ye shine won kran. The place you people live e ye kurase. And you can change it. Your mindset is too archaic. Mu ye too primitive. Mumubi. Mu ye primitive. Ya ka say primitive a mu ye ekurase to mo dwene se nkurase fo. I don't hate you people. Me you know asantime. I don't hate asantimi bia. But some be take time mo ntena se na mo musa mo say, "Hey, na kura ya timi for the past 10 years, e dey pa na abem. Ade bia ba asantime mu bia free NDC. Ade bia eye eni bia de. Bia mo mbebunu na mo tia asantime mo ntena se. Why na ye musician or wa asantime mu and ye boni din one konkran ya yetumi boni din. And all due respect to a Stone boy, Stone, brothers of Stone, he's holding it very tight in Ashanti region. I respect that. Why in the world Santimemo also a musician and that's one konkran obenya stage papa swejina. E bini ho mo Andy Dusty and the ordinary kran ya jijire ne se aboduaba. Mo cheme kwame me amadamfo and on na yire ne manyina etu atran kran. Why in a statue Ashanti region Kumasi or Dangote Ashanti region? Why? Because you people are not ready. You are not ready. Into a Josia, Cantamanto to Tom. Omo moya santifo no more Cantamanto, no more the politics. Omo no more ready. So they want to build their life. They did not come on radio and TV to come and do. And I'm a hammer. They built it. They went back to work. They knew the cause of the problem. They solved it. Yeah, they jiminti. Now no party radio so, radio so, yanka, and in the Bami about power, my bodam 42 years. Monse sama brabo. It is not me, it is you people. Mosika for moi santimemu nyina bo mo jantra won kran. Omo cast papa nyina gun kran. Omo japade nyina gun kran. Omo ne omo maten kran. Eye nkwa no mo ba ne Kumasi. Mo musa mo questions ana. Kumasi adani esiye anamu nchakeye infuturo obian person oba associating ho with Kumasi. You get what I mean? Sometimes you people, sometimes you people should sit back na mumbu some questions. And in here, Nanya, where you infantini, where you anguneni, where you Mahama, any entiasia, and no entichira santimai da. Because ansana sebio and santimai, ye nimbudo, ye nibieno, and kanya NDC or Messi Kejetia, ebesi Sewia, ebeye airport, edi kanyobe ke you be da. Inti ayana sometimes no mombre muwase. You people in the Ashanti region, you are not relevant, especially you, the foolish tribal MPP followers. And yes, Antinibia and Ejimi. Na mumudu doane de sebio saman yi sa de na mfiri makoma mu a sa Jimi no enne be momatena mfuturo mu ache we dwame. Na me dwame ade na beba. Ah? Munim se de make ache mu na no kore. Enti wunye ready a problem. Enne kwa santimem ko hwe HIV ebuso. Ejuma wo ha ne jantre ejuma. And the over social media. Now we saketesia bi at TV so or the Facebook page phone tantan bi na ye interview no about Jantra no Kumasi. Go and check. A day at the papa the free Kumasi ba. At the papa ben the free Ashanti region ba. E ye nkwa. Kofo ba Kumasi no be sie ni yere. Owie no sakotena nkran. Ye papa kofo no. Oba Kumasi no be sie ni yere. Omadani Kumasi cemetery obituary headquarters obi awu nkran ne abesie no ne edi mba ne asafo plane ko hamo. Can't you people see it? Say Ghana ni ko jamo eni na munkofo ni be motu kwa abrochire especially Germany for no omo beduru Ghana omo ntimi ntina nkran opekurase abetena because e ho ne be hu so ye nipa anamu studies ade no because sankwasi afori be go abrochire no their mentality no it is still the same as mumu bina muye nkurasefo no in terms of landi kotoko amo pentam yeko Kumasi because in the midst of the blind the one-eyed man is the king. Into onu kurasini no unconquering. He does not fit there. This is the time the young ones you sat down. There's nothing innovative in Kumasi. The town is dead. The region is dead. And then when you see young man will also change the destiny of Kumasi, the Ashanti regional minister, because he's doing something different. You have a problem with change. Asantimai, Asantifoni bi mudodo. You have a problem with what we call change. Where the fufoka kraja ne di kosia oso antiase obewu. Where the bofron kwan kakra yesi jai nanom air light soup kakra oso obewu. You have a problem with change. That is why you people are stuck. Anything amaka baby amaka no. Mwesika fo na mubo mudinde bia no. Mon kan chom so mo metena Kumasi. Se ne be ya omo business partners ne ba omba be hu Kumasi. Ade drum tenkran. Omo bu mu se mo ye nkurasefo. Eye mo hu bon eye mo hu bon eye concert mumu bi munjintum ena edwa hye na ye betena se na ya ka no kore na ya se sidwa no me Ashanti regional minister me sinka say na nkameye I will stop everything happening na maka kire mo say I need the town planners to come and give me a solid plan with water system, with hydrants, with driveways before I will allow anybody to build. I will insist. But Muna, young man, we person boamono, wa better than matamfo. Ade or your NDC ni. Na se mo amukro muniba. Se mo amu de hye. Mo mpa de pa. Or when NDC nkwanti or person boamo a or nipa bonini enkwase ade ne de tia santimemu. Since se musi so kwase ampan we kwase we. A whole regional minister, Kwasiawe. Where is he? Besides, where's that fool? Kwasiampenwe, mutina 8 years. Kwasiampenwe, mutina 8 solid years. Ojanwe, wait. You people lived with this fool for 8 years.
Problem what central business area. Kejiti adon fe no, kejiti Dubai no. That kind 10 fe mutan. The problems we have, the congestion in the central business district area is because of his one.
Honorable Samuel Semensa, hopefully
we land with Mako. Wouldn't you Jamaica? Someone hear me vetting second one. Mutaka took me more than 15 minutes on this. I want them to be Kajetia. Na lorry terminal sports for Munchem 5 minutes. Na lorry terminal to serve Central Market. Kajetia wasn't a market. It will change the function of Kajetia from lorry terminal to marketer. You get alternative market. On your way. Terminal on your way. Muamu document just now more than 1,000 commercial vehicles. Nende jina Kajetia. Wamu create only 108. What to from 2015? What to 900? We are going to okay, I'm back for na me ha me ho na ma ba so am ran bad ma pam wo mo na me ko hello FM area or ma ko pam wo mo na ma ye we me kind document na am say I'm wasting my time. So we here bibi to say we have what we call holding bay. VIP for you be VIP nim sasa market one untimi fa more than 2 buses enyina baby
holding bay 8 years oyebi Jimmy we mutena na ho for 8 years because no your MPP ni odi mwatam every day e ma to me call office no o sane insult to go omoso we mutena ne ho a young man he's even taking suggestions online most of a TikTok minister mumu bi mu Jimmy input you e be bomb say the Jonso abo akoko hey man we this young minister say mo bo careless na ofri mu nsa mo wu me na me catch them. Me put politics aside. I see passion in this guy. I see this guy wants to make a mark. I see him trying to leave a legacy. But mumu bi ni mu jiminti mo woni say oye NDC ni. Akwa na nim toto bibre we abegina okekankwase asam didi matem. 8 years. Adentra obe yie. Adentra onoma peteshi. Adentra where the son ya na Kumasi ha 8 years man so akwa we so mutena so akwase ampanyi we so 8 good years ade achi am say obi aba be catch am say I am a young minister bring your suggestions and let me talk to you live almost like a TikTok minister mumu bi mu agimi and ntina muduru nkran no mu bu mu kwase ano enu ntina mumu bi muduru nkran no mu bu mu kwase ano because you see you people you have decided say one person will be jatum kejetia nenie kejetia before kejetia after na wonya kwase penyi we asantini ba wenyini akaka no owu o se kejetia ade tan. This was the kejetia Kofo came to meet JA Kofo ba Kumasi obe yie bia bi hotel bia oda bi okon otumfo every day obeto kejetia we oja hokoye JA Kofo ya papa Kofo and this for Kwasiafo we number 6 ade we mamo you still sit there you want to have an issue with the NDC adentra and he said obi NDC no person oboa kra jai ne ntra ejimi mu ye be force mu bi mamo hunyansa me say no election in Ghana from 2028 ye decide election bi Ashanti region biem etwam 92 na sa de ni see Ghana's election would never be decided in the Ashanti region again. The earlier you people get to know that, the better for you people. Regions are fighting for development too. And with all due respect, Abua osun na netakra dosun. Mona mo se mo hini yakese. Enti sa wo hini yakese na ukuro ma ye kwa. E wow problem. Ona aso papa yedwuma eye toothpaste company. Na wo sian ye kwa. Eye wo problem. Enti me, you hating me and insulting me, it will not change eye obrana mutimu no. And these are facts. Kejetiana mudi atem na enie. Enti mo amugu dwomo say Mohammed na aba na Adum sa na ye gya hye me say. Mu jai san kwase ade na mu ye no dwomo ho na mu store no enhye. Mu jai illegal connection. Gas na euro ehye mo store dem na mudi nuanuanuane no. Mu jai fire hydrant na mo sisi store wo so. Obia wo fa wa asase Kumasi. Obia wo fa wa asase. Kumasi su enim bia se na Kumasi be si ho. Kumasi su enim omo Kumasi omo dia enso obia wo fa wa asase ena me wo fa de nie ena me wo fa de nie hydrant kra obi se me wo fa ne nana wei ne ye de store siso na eja tom wia obeka se John Mahama ana mu bi mu boda mo hu Jack munsie nyansa ne enko enim anytime obi an waste time obi aso bi